spin. Keep your eyes on that airplane as he runs out of airspeed. All the control surfaces will be reversed as he takes it back through a series of spins on the way back down. Now, you do not want to miss this next maneuver. It is a Wapon original that we call the Inside Tumble. Rob is a champion at competition events on both the national and world level, and as you watch him fly, you can see he is all about precision. Light it up. Completing this, the computer will get salute to the great Leo Loudswager. Rob thinks every good maneuver is better than the inverted. It's enough to allow Lee out to that sky untouched. Let's watch as he continues to tear it up.